The Community Build Workstream within MMIP is about reaching as wide as possible and as deep as possible into all the sectors that are in the UK that can impinge for the benefit of medicines manufacturing. And that's actually why the Knowledge Transfer Network feels this is so important and why it's a key part of our work within MMIP. So we want to understand as much as possible and engage those people in the conversation about innovation in medicines manufacturing from as wide across the UK as possible, from all the different modalities that we are there to represent, and to ensure everybody has a voice through MMIP into what technology and innovation can do to develop medicines manufacturing for the future. The role of MMIP and the community that we have here as we grow this over the next few years is really to provide a voice that's two-way. So we want to channel what needs to happen for the UK to really be a leader in medicines manufacturing through the community that we have and that we're continuing to build. But in addition to that, we also want to ensure that we reach as wide as possible. So there are many sectors out there doing fantastic innovation, and we want to bring them into the conversation using MMIP as the route to do that for the benefit of medicines manufacturing.